Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Simplisafe home security, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Simplisafe home security system. Locate the main base station, keypad, and any sensors included in your package. Find a central location in your home for the base station. Make sure the location is near a power outlet and within range of your Wi-Fi network. Plug the base station into a power outlet using the provided adapter. Press the button on the base station to turn it on. Wait for the base station to fully boot up. Next, grab the keypad and install the included batteries. Attach the keypad to the wall or place it on a flat surface near the entrance. Now, connect your base station to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Simplisafe mobile app on your smartphone. Follow the prompts in the app to create an account or log. Select Set up a new system from the app's main menu. The app will guide you through connecting the base station to your Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code displayed on the base station with your smartphone. Once connected, the app will prompt you to name your system. Next, it's time to set up your entry sensors. Choose a door or window to install your first entry sensor. Peel off the adhesive backing and attach the sensor to the door or window frame. Attach the magnet on the corresponding door or window to complete the setup. Repeat this process for any additional entry sensors you have. Now, proceed to set up motion sensors if included in your system. Select a corner of the room for the motion sensor, ensuring it has an unobstructed view. Mount the motion sensor using screws or adhesive, based on your preference. Once all sensors are installed, return to the app for final configuration. Test each sensor by opening doors or walking in front of motion sensors. Adjust their sensitivity settings in the app if necessary. Finally, finalize your settings and ensure your system is armed for the first time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.